me. It's off. It's off. It's off.
This is gold.
I was down here talking to them.
Gold. This one's
platinum. Oh man. Okay.
Okay.
The BriDray. Okay. Here we go. Okay. The BriDray Cough. The BriDray Cough. Okay. New week technique. You got just what you're looking for. If you need to get high. Alright.
You recording your face, you know that, right?
Yeah, I know. Okay. Tell them the first ingredient.
Oh, you drink iced tea.
No, it was sweet tea.
Sweet tea.
Yeah.
Same thing.
Okay, get you. I'll do it. You messing it up.
No.
You messing get out of here.
Iced tea, you can substitute iced tea if you don't have sweet tea.
Ooh, okay. Okay, she said that. But the sweet tea is the preferred. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's the original.
Yeah, exactly.
The
Right.
non-generic brand.
So you get the sweet tea right here. You got it good. You got your blunt. You just smoking or whatever. Huh?
Blunt has to be fresh.
Yeah, blunt has to be fresh. Blunt. What was it?
You only smoked it like 3.
No, which one you got?
The Dutch, vanilla Dutch.
Get you the vanilla Dutch. Fuck everything else, all that other shit. That's all boo boo. Get you that vanilla Dutch. Always come out clean. Don't be crusty and shit. All
not
that.
Like them swishers that Dre picked out. You know.
Yeah, what you mean? Shut up. Shut up. Hey, get out of here,
you
man.
Missed that episode,
I didn't
that's
know.
What happened.
I didn't know. I didn't know. Hey, she was right.
Blew away with the wind.
She was right. Yeah. Okay. We did smoke some good with that though. We did. So fuck that. But yeah. Now you got your sweet tea. What you do? Take sweet tea, drink it till
How many gulps?
Just one big gulp, real big gulp, and just as the last bit of sweet tea's going down your throat,
after like 2-3 seconds,
just hit the shit out that blunt.
Like
just take it in, hold it in. Yo, pretend like you diving. You dive, you trying to hold your breath. You gotta get something at the bottom of the swimming pool. Hold that. Just hold it in and then let it out.
Don't cough it out. Just breathe real
like
slow.
heaven.
Just breathe.
It's like breathe real slow, and it's like heaven. It's
Take
like
time. You gotta try not to cough. Just hold it in.
It's just like an explosion to your head, but it's like real smooth.
And it's nothing like this.
It's like nothing. It's crazy.
It's nothing like
crazy.
this.
Oh my
Do
God.
it right.
Do it right, and you high all night. Do it right, and you high all night.
The best way, the only way to do it.
The only way to do it. The BriDray. The BriDray is what it's called.
Each time, just if you can handle it, take a couple of sips.
Oh, do it.
And take your hit even further.
See how
far you can go and record your own video and respond.
Yeah. We got 3 BriDrays out of this blunt. We got 3 of them, and they were
level 3.
I think you might have got 4. I got 3. You got 4.
Oh yeah, you're right. But last episode. Like it was something like this. We got like 1 and 2, maybe 1 and 2.
Yeah. So you gotta.
The more you do it,
record how many you can do.
Practice. See what your limit is.
I'm gonna get more than y'all.
No.
I'm gonna get 40. I'm gonna get 40 BriDrays in one sit.
What's the limit right now?
3. No, 4.
No, we already have 4. What level should we aim for?
Oh, should we aim for? We gotta hit that 10 mark, baby.
10.
We gotta hit that 10 mark, baby. What you mean? 15? You trying to kill me?
Trying to see which one can hit.
Hey, warning label. Do not try this at home.
No, 10.
Do not try this at home. You need parental supervision.
10 is dangerous, okay?
Okay.
And then, what did I say? 15. 15 is like crazy, dangerous.
Okay, 15%.
Like 90% chance you're gonna die.
90%.
And then like 75. Listen, at 75 is like that
teeter-totter. It ain't worth it. I changed my mind. Nobody should do the BriDray.
Don't tell me how high you'll go.
Fuck the BriDray.
I think we got 2 levels higher.
We need to turn this video off.
I think it's dangerous right
we gotta turn this video off and bury the video.
Yeah, we gotta go.
Bury the phone.
You're about to die.
Nobody can ever see this video.
Maybe later. Maybe we'll try it again
Nobody
later.
can ever. What if the government recording this video right now and they steal it and the evil genius gets the video?
I just want to tell you.
I finally found a way to kill everybody.
I love you, Mom. This is the last video you watch of us.
Oh, I'm sorry, Mama.
Andre talked me into it.
I'm sorry, Mama. I'm too high right now. I'm sorry I failed you, but I accidentally killed the human race. Shit.
Smoked the shit out of that blunt.
What? You changed the whole subject.
Yeah, no, I didn't.
Wow.
See, they missed us dying.
My bad. I'm sorry.
We just never turned it
off. We back.
No,
we back up in here.
Anything. What's happening?
We back up in here. I'm sorry.
You jinxed it.
Now I got a hole just like this. How about that? There we go. See, I love the iPhone. I just gonna flip this way. No. Now the world knows my secret identity.
Wow.
Credited for many scientific advances. One idea that fell short was his attempt to create a wireless electrical grid. Tesla's
Fuck this show.
Was to
you picked the show.
Yeah, it was cool. It was cool at first, but I can't keep track.
Me neither. There's too much going on right now.
I can't keep track.
Like it's all the 3D and stuff. It's nowhere.
Yeah, we just ain't over here making fun of the little shit.
Right?
Like,
I forgot what we were talking about 2 seconds ago. What was the last thing we made fun of?
I know, right?
That show right there is so terrible.
Which one?
Go up.
Are we watching cartoons again?
Yeah, no, but don't turn on this. You know, that one right there. No. Austin and Allie, my sisters love that show. It's so stupid. I cannot stand it.
Fuck that show, man.
Let's watch Futurama.
That show ain't got no name. You wanna watch Futurama?
I don't watch like a kitty cartoon.
You wanna watch a kitty cartoon?
Put on Gumball from yesterday, then you can see how good it is.
Well, like Dora the Explorer or some shit?
No.
Kitty cartoon.
Yeah.
What, like Sesame Street?
No. I told you put on Gumball from earlier. What's the call, Ali?
Do that. Make some movies.
I will now throw out the ceremonial first jump.
This boy's not answering his phone.
Hey, world, we watching Nick Jr. out here.
No,
fuck
man.
y'all niggas.
Go to
Put it on the TV. Y'all motherfuckers know what's going on.
Go to.
Bitch ass boy.
What's it say? Go to on demand.
Huh?
Go to on demand.
Go to on demand. Oh, did he answer?
No. So if he doesn't call back before then, I'm just start walking back to the school.
Got some funny ass ankles. But you gotta do it, cause I'll do it.
You know how to do it? Alright, there you go.
I was about to say do it, but I'm cool.
Hello? Hello? Yeah.
You said this shit?
Yeah, that. Are you gonna come? Huh? Yeah. Okay, because I have to be home by 5:30. It usually doesn't take long at all. So just let me know.
Get $100 bill and shit.
Bye.
Yo, man. What baby boy say?
He was like, he just has to drop his brother off somewhere, and he'll be over here after that.
You got the remote? What you doing? I put your show on, man.
I know you did already.
I can already tell that's gonna be weird.
No, you should do the end. No, you gotta watch the end.
You gotta watch the end. Is that an episode?
That was, hold on. That was the other one.
The other one was Helmet.
No, it wasn't. How do I go to, your remote is weird. I don't like it.
Weird.
What are you doing?
I don't know. I'm videotaping the TV for some reason.
Oh, what's Helmet?
For some reason, I'm videotaping this TV. You know what I mean? I don't even know why I wear. Oh, shit.
What?
Yeah, 9:55.
Oh, like we starting at 9:30.
Yo, this